be probably surprised to know that a single strand of spider silk is thinner than a human hair, but also 5 times stronger than steel of the same width. A rope just 2 inches thick could reportedly stop a Boeing 747. You will be surprised to know that sea turtles never meet their parents. After a sea turtle lays its eggs, they return to the sea, leaving the nest and the eggs to grow and develop on its own. Their parents never live around them to teach them the important lessons of life. Luckily, baby turtles are born with a clever instinct and work it out on their own. Do you know that an animal called the flying fox isn't a fox at all? Yes, I'm talking about a bat. This interesting creature is, in fact, a type of bat or megabat. It reaches lengths of up to 1.5 meters. That's the size of a human adult. I really wouldn't want to come across one of them in the dark. Do you know that hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward? The hummingbird can move its wings 180 degrees in all directions, allowing it to fly backward, upside down, sideways, change directions mid-flight, and even hover in place. It is the only bird in the world that can do this. Butterflies can taste with their feet, using something called chemoreceptors that help them to identify plants. Females select the correct leaf on which to lay eggs by drumming it with her feet to release juices. You probably don't know the reason why whales do not drown. These clever aquatic mammals must periodically return to the surface to breathe, as they cannot breathe underwater. So, how do they sleep? Well, they can, but only half of their brains sleep at a time, leaving the other half still alert and ready to adapt to their surroundings. Really surprising.
Do you know some albatrosses are lesbians? Albatrosses form bonds for life, returning to the same place every year to raise their young. Some of these bonds are between 2 female albatrosses, with a study finding that in one breeding area 31% of pairs were 2 females.
Know that the loudest animal in the world is a mere 2-centimeter long prawn. The pistol shrimp is capable of snapping its claw shut so rapidly that it creates a bubble which collapses to produce a sonic blast, louder than a Concorde's sonic boom. The pistol shrimp is capable of snapping its claw shut so rapidly that it creates a bubble which collapses to produce a sonic blast, louder than a Concorde's sonic boom. The shock wave can reach 230 decibels, also louder than the sound of a gunshot. The imploding bubble for split seconds also generates temperature of 4,400 C, nearly as hot as the sun, killing its prey.